Your simple gifts. I'm starting with my left hand here on A, thumb in the right hand on D. So we do have to be in the D position, as you can tell, and you can see from the music we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. All the F and the C in the music will be played F sharp and C sharp. So remember that. I'm placing my fingers right here. Let's go. Let's start with our left hand first, placing the thumb on A, and then 3 on the sharp, 1, 2, and 5 together. Don't stretch here. Hold 1, 2, and 5, and then 1 and 3, a fourth, and then a fifth. Next page. The chord, a third, a fourth, a fifth, and on the D chord. Let's move to right hand. I have the thumb here on D, and remember to place our 3 on that F sharp. Stretch the C to the sharp, move your thumb back to D, turn. Next page. Have a scale at the end here. F sharp, tuck your thumb under to G and C sharp.